Go.
Hi, Rick Williford here today with the Allstyle AHBE unit. This is probably one of the most often asked questions, is what do I do when I have an AHBE blow-through type fan coil? These are obsolete, they're no longer made. So we're going to show you one option that a lot of guys use, that they found a way to make it work. I told them I'd put together a YouTube video so that we can show you. This is not a factory fix, but it is a field fix, and it will work. There's some field fabrication that has to be done, but a lot of guys tell me they'd rather do this than tear the whole ceiling out and redo a unit. So we're going to start here. What we're going to do is take it out component by component so that you don't get confused and get everything tore apart and not be able to get it back together. So the first thing that we're going to do is do the hard part, which is the coil. Okay, so we're going to remove the coil in this unit. This of course has ductwork all hooked up to it, and this is your plenum area. And on the new unit, that's actually backwards. We're doing a draw-through application. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our draw-through fan coil and make it a blow-through. We're going to start by removing this drain pan, which is metal. It's got a drain on the end. You can see this one's rusted right through. Okay, and you can see how much rust is in here from this old coil. We're going to take this out. There's a strap that was screwed to the drain pan. Of course, cut the line sets. Take this big old heavy coil out of here. And now we've got our little cabinet. So now we're going to step over here to the new unit, which is an AHF. This is the new style. And we're going to use these components and give this old dog a heart transplant. There's a strap here that you take off and unthread through the end of this drain pan here. You're going to have to take these screws off this drain pan. We're not going to use that. Okay, so here's the drain pan. I'll set it up there out of the way. Here's our coil sitting here. When you lift these, just be careful not to crunch the fins, and also be careful because the edge of those fins is rather sharp. And so we've got to be a little delicate with it. Okay, the new coils, a lot of them are, notice are aluminum. We're doing this because of cost. And most of the industry is going to aluminum now. Allstyle has really perfected their aluminum system, and we make quite a lot of product now with aluminum. So you're going to place that back in there. You're going to set your drain pan on here. Then that strap that went through and just screwed onto the other drain pan is going to feed through here, and if not, you're just going to have to splice on a longer strap. You can use plumbing tape or something like that, some kind of a metal strap to hold that in. And you're going to have to adjust this so that the drain falls in the right direction towards this. There is going to be a gap here because of the new drain pan for the bigger coil. So you're going to have to fill this gap up with either a piece of metal or tape or something like that, because you're going to have a little bypass air here. You notice that the drain comes out the sides here instead of the end, but other than that, it's pretty much basically the same thing. The drain pan is the biggest difference. You could make your own drain pan. Allstyle doesn't make those anymore, so we make this plastic one, which will last a long time and not rust on you. So that's the first component that you're going to change. The next one is going to be the blower assembly. Okay, so we're going to pull this whole thing out. Of course, you're going to have your wires on there, which are already cut. This unit got trashed pretty good when it was taken out. I basically rescued it out of the dumpster so that we could make this video. So this is, again, real simple to take these blowers out. 2 screws, they just slip out, and I unhooked this already for the sake of the video. We're going to take this over here, drop this in the new one. drill the right way. Okay, this is the wiring. So you're literally going to want to take, we give you a terminal block on here, you can keep that, don't have to change that. But you can change the strip heaters, they're the same, just pull it out, put it back in. Transformer, same thing, and then you just got your fan relays. Now we use fan control. So you could take these out as a group together, or you could do it individually. Wiring diagrams come with the unit, with the installation instructions. You're going to want to follow the wiring diagram for the new unit, not the old one. If you have any questions, give us a call, Williford Sales. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.